the more you talk through this, the more I'm starting to see that you are already at the place where I'm predicting that a lot of people in data center related sales are going, where it's not going to feel like they're interacting with a traditional sales professional anymore. It's going to feel a lot more like consulting. It's going to feel a lot more like a doctor-patient kind of relationship where you're helping them to guide through how other companies have navigated these kinds of challenges, how other leaders in these same kind of companies have addressed these kind of, so not only are you able to answer the questions, but you're helping them walk through the path of what comes next and what comes next and who else needs to be involved in these kind of conversations. And it brings to mind kind of this concept that's been around in the IT space for a number of years, orchestration. It's like you're like an orchestra conductor, and kind of a huge part of what you're doing is not only helping them walk through the buying process, but you're helping to get all of the right people involved in the conversation to make the initiative successful, which sounds a lot like consulting and workshop facilitation.
Yes, indeed. I think that's the direction we have, and I believe also this is the way to go in the selling, because in where the salespeople could come in and help them to address the client challenges, not just selling product just for the sake of selling products.
With that in mind, if